Hello, my name is Konstantin. I am one of the co-founders of Hotel Messenger. Today's product demo is our app. As all of our products, also our app is white label, ad-free. You will get your very own app, your name, your app icon, and your App Store entry. Our app shows three main areas of content: activities, hotel information, and offers. Activities highlight your daily program, what's going on. Your guests can directly book and participate certain activities all by themselves. Next is hotel information. This is your hotel's compendium, showing your guests all that is important. Highlight everything your property has to offer. And finally, offers, our upselling section to increase on-site revenues. Showcase your specials and extra, merchandise and souvenirs.